Hi guys, today it's me, Ryan from Don't Eat. Today I'm going to be playing this game called Steppy Pants. I got pretty good at it. And there I go. I think there's last time I got this game, and I got this at 300, but I'm at 700, and I don't have it yet, but I am better than I was before once we have more steps. I got a lot of skins and stuff, so I'm playing. This game is basically going like, step on the crack, you break your mother's back, but you break your back. And it's also fun, and I like it. And if you get hit by a car, you're done. If you fall over, do the split, you're done. If you get your toe ran over, you're done. You step on TNT, you're done. So that's what the basic is. There's a cat right next to me. It's 3 a.m. I didn't have a choice, so I didn't go to sleep because I got woken up last night by my brother. No, not last night, like today. So that's why I'm up at like 3 a.m. I'm not scared of monsters at 3 a.m. I got pretty good at the game. I'm trying to get 300. So let's play. Come on, little kid, let's play. I got a checkpoint. And coffee would make you go fast like crazy. A lot of people that don't watch my videos are not subscribed, so I want you to give me a favor and subscribe, and also subscribe to Neil's Monkey Time Show and Bendy and Bora. Wait, what's it? I forgot. It's Bendy reads book, Jaden play game. I forgot his channel. I don't watch anime. I only watch Demon Slayer. I'm not spending no money. I spend some on accident and I didn't to. How many steps to go for the next thing? I'm gonna want to check. But I didn't mean to turn into a woman. $12 to go. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And of course I step 400 times. I'm gonna step 12 times. I just need one more step. Now I should be able to go to the next place. 5 to go. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did I skip 6? But it looked like I didn't skip 6. 80. I gotta walk 80. And it seems it doesn't want to. Oh, it's trying to put me back where I was earlier. So that's what. Then I get 5 more, then I'm done. This is my first gaming video. One of my gaming videos didn't go out too well, so I deleted it and I didn't post on YouTube. And I don't really post that much. Now we got no floors lava. And of course, I learned how to walk. I've been in the coma. This game is basic. A lot of people say he was in a coma. I say he drunk. He's drunker. I do not want to spend my money on stuff to turn back alive. I'd rather redo it. This is when I usually stop when I get this game, but I will not stop today. I must keep going. I passed the part where I would stop. No, this is the part where I would stop. The floor's lava and my feet can get burned by a stove, so I don't know why they have a stove. I'm just trying to beat my high score. There's my new high score. So that would be the end of the oh, first prize. Let's get that prize. More. I got. Okay, that is the end of the video. So I will see you guys very, very soon.